All right, let's solve this question together. We are given square root of x plus square root of minus x equals to 3. All right, now when we are given a plus b all squared, this one will give you a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now let's square both sides in order to get rid of the root sign. Okay, so I'll square both sides. So I have this all squared equals to that. So we have 9 here. So this side will be this one squared plus 2 times x times minus x plus, so this one squared will be minus x. Okay, so we have x because this one will cancel this, plus, so this side will be 2 times x minus x plus minus x equals to 9. So this one will cancel this. I've left with 2 square root, so we have minus x squared equals to 9. Now let's divide both sides by 2. So this side will be minus x squared equals to 9 on 2. Now let's square both sides. So this one will cancel this. Minus x squared will give us 81 on 4. Okay, so let's divide both sides by -1. So this side will be x squared 81 on 4 times -1. So we after x, what do we do? Let's take square root on both sides. So have this. So x give me plus or minus. So this side 81 on 4 times -1. So we have plus or minus square root of 81 on 4 times square root of -1. So we have plus or minus. Remember, this one is the same as square root of 81 on square root of 4 times square root of -1. Now, when we're given I squared is the same as -1. So I is the same as square root of -1. So that is from complex numbers. Okay, so this side is I. Okay, so we have x as plus or minus, so the numerator here will be 9, and this side will be 2, and this one will be I. As simple as that. All right, so subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. All right.